Are you experiencing playback error 2111 on Fire Stick? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Force stop the app. Playback error 2111 on Fire Stick, particularly with the Xfinity Stream app, has been a common issue among users. When you are getting this issue on Fire Stick, force stop it. Go to Settings, then select Applications, then Manage Installed Applications. Select the app, then choose Force Stop, then restart it and check. Method 2. Power cycle the device. Turn off or unplug your Fire TV or TV entirely for about 10 minutes. Then plug it back in. The simple step has reportedly resolved the playback error for some users, so you can try it and see. Method 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure your Fire Stick is connected to the internet. You can check your internet speed using websites like speedtest.net from your mobile or PC. You can also run a speed test from Fire Stick. Open Settings from Fire TV Stick Home. Now, select Network. Next, select your preferred Wi-Fi network and press the play or pause button on your remote. Now run a speed test and ensure high-speed internet connectivity. The next thing you can do is restart your router or modem. Turn off the router, wait for 30 seconds and then turn it back on. This can help resolve any temporary issues with the router. If you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, try switching to a mobile hotspot to see if it improves the connection. Method 4. Clear app cache. The next thing you can do is clear the app cache. To do so, navigate to Settings, then select Applications, then select Manage Installed Applications. Next, select the problematic app. Select Clear Cache and then clear data as per your system options. Follow as shown. This process can help remove bugs and glitches associated with the app. Method 5. Check the app server status. Look for the status page of the app and check if there is any server outage. You can search for the server status page of the specific app on Google, on a PC or smartphone. Like, here we are searching for the Xfinity and you can check this link. If there is any issue on the server side, then wait for some time and then try again. Method 6. Update the specific app. Ensure that the app on which you are having issues on Fire Stick is up to date. Outdated apps can cause compatibility issues leading to error. Update the app. You can open the Amazon App Store, search for the app and check for app updates. Install any update available. Method 7. Update your Fire Stick. Update your Fire Stick to the latest version. This can resolve any bugs or compatibility issues that might be causing the error. To Settings and select My Fire TV and select About. Now check for updates on your Fire TV. After that, you can update your Fire TV to the latest version. Follow as shown. Method 8. Uninstall and reinstall the problematic app. If the methods shown don't work, try uninstalling the app and then reinstalling it from the Amazon App Store. You can also go to Settings on your Fire TV device. Select Applications. Select Manage Installed Applications. Select the app you want to uninstall and then uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions. Install the app again and see if the error persists this time. And there you have it. The ways to fix playback error 2111 on Fire Stick. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.